change. But I just got paid today, got me a pocket full of change. If you believe like working hard all day, just step in my shoes and take my pay. I was born my papa's son. When I hit the ground, I was on the run. Had one glad hand and the other behind. You can have yours, just give me mine. When the hound dog barks in the black of the night, stick my hand in my pocket and everything's alright. You got some wool? Yes, I do, man, my bag is full. It's the root of evil and you know the rest, but it's way ahead of what's second best.